Hello, my name is Maria Angel Fonseca. I'm from Costa Rica, and I am currently a master's student for the program Agri-Food Marketing in Spain. I'm very happy with this program because I was able to meet people from all over the world, people from places that I would have never even imagined, and we have come together for a semester to share not only our academic experiences, but also our personal experiences. Also, we have professors from different countries of the world, from the United States to England to the UK, in different places. So that was also very, very valuable to me because they came here for a period of a week or 2 weeks to share with us their most valuable experiences. And they're highly qualified in their fields of research or work. So that was very important for me because we have experts coming. It's such a treat to have experts to come for us for 1 or 2 weeks. Also, the organization for this, as you can imagine, it's very, very challenging, but somehow they managed to do it in a very efficient way. That's also something that I really appreciated. Also, the country, Spain, is a great country. I am more than happy that I had the experience to be here and share with such amazing people. The culture is just very warming, very vibrant, and I highly recommend this program to anyone who's looking for an exciting experience and a good academic program as well.